Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, my Valley Gems? Today I purchased the scoop-free litter box for my cats, and this is the box. And I just pulled all the items. Guess this is that's the litter. This is the litter pan, and I guess this is a part, and this is the lid. So I'm gonna try to put this thing together so that they could have a scoop-free litter. And this is how it's supposed to look after I put it together. So let's try to put it together. Okay, this is, and it's the scoop-free. Got a cover, and that's how it's supposed to look. So let's try to put it together. So I have it plugged up, and it's working. So let's see where we go from here. Let's follow the next step. I have it plugged up. That was the next step. So let's go to the next step. So now I put the waste tray lid on. Next step is to fill let's fill the tray. Okay. I ain't seen no magnet, so I'm looking for a magnet. Alright, look for a magnet. Okay guys, this is the Petsafe litter box, and I got it together, except I'm missing the magnetic tray that's supposed to keep this together, but it comes with new trays. So when I purchase a new tray, I'll get another one. But let me show you how it works. So I push the automatic, and the little sweeper comes down and sweeps the cat litter. And then this little gray thing opens up, and you can see it lifting. And then the waste is scooped into the tray that's underneath. And then it goes back in place. Now this tracks how many times the cat uses the litter. It's motion censored, so it tracks how many times the cat uses it, and you can just keep track of, you know, how many times the cat uses. Now, I have 2 cats, but I have 2 litter boxes. So they say this lasts for, with 1 cat, it lasts 20 to 30 days. Just this right here lasts 20 to 30 days. But I have 2 cats, and with 2 cats, it only lasts 10 to 15 days. So you just replace the tray, the cardboard tray, and you can just get those at Petsafe. I'm going to order a few online. So it only comes with 1. But now I can put the lid on. It has a privacy lid, and then you attach the privacy lid. It snaps into place down here. And now it's snapped into place. And so the cat has privacy now. But this is the Petsafe self-cleaning litter box. Okay, I put it together. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. If you learned something, comment. If you can teach me something, throw another comment. But I put this together, and let's see how it works for my cats, because they are very finicky. And I had 2 litter trays like this, but I got rid of one because they tore that one up. So let's see how they work with this. And if they do good with this, I will get rid of this one right here. Let's see how it works. All right. Thanks guys for watching. Till the next video.